You build your business on trust, on your reputation. And this is your personal brand. YouTube is a business. It's great for building your personal brand because this video format is much more easier for people to get to know you better. You know, it's easier than text or pictures like on other platforms. And on Instagram, you don't get long videos that often, yeah? Okay, nowadays you do on IGTVs, but on YouTube, it's totally normal like to make a long video and to express everything you have in life. YouTube is one of the best ways to build your personal brand, and you shouldn't miss it. I'm Nadia. On this channel I talk about business and self-development, so consider subscribing to this channel not to miss important information. I also wrote a book on personal development. You can check in the description below. It's on Amazon, down there. And I also have a video about this book. You can check it out here after you watch this video. I saw a lot of YouTube channels where people don't really put effort into building their own brand. They don't show their personality. Your personality is the way to stand out among other channels on similar topics in the same niche, yeah? So how are you going to compete with them? How are you going to be different? How are you going to stand out? So your personality is actually the thing that is going to do that for you, yeah, and for your business as well. People will remember you because of your personality, because of your face, because of your style. So you should for sure use this for your business and for promoting your channel, yeah, for promoting your ideas, for promoting your talent, or whatever you're doing here on this platform. By the way, if you like this video so far, give this video a like. Thank you. Some people think that building their own brand is making some fake image. No, not at all. Don't even try that. Because, you know, people will feel if you're faking. And on top, when you go on a live stream, and it's a good idea to do live streams, by the way, people will see you without editing, without special effects. They will see you as you are. So don't even try faking. No, it's not about it. But be yourself, but still have an image. I didn't do much live streams, but I did a few on Instagram. By the way, check out my Instagram account. You can find it in the description below, also on my channel description. And I do some live streams there. I will do live streams in the future also on this channel if I have more subscribers, because it usually makes sense when there are more subscribers. So if you subscribe to this channel, you will help me promote my channel, and also we can enjoy live streams in the future. And by the way, it's really like almost half of the people watching this video have not subscribed. So hit this button now. And again, your business, you know, people can copy your business. People can copy all the methods and techniques and hacks and everything, but they cannot copy you. You are your brand, yeah? And your image should be clear. It's like in life, you have some personality and you have some image. If you're a bit older, probably you don't run around in shorts all the time, yeah? If you are a teenager, you don't wear a very serious business suit all the time, yeah? So the way you dress, the way you talk, if you are the person who likes making jokes, and if you are good at it, you should definitely use it on your channel. You should use it for your brand, yeah? People will love it. And humor is something that really moves people. And it's such a great part of your personality if you can do it. I love humor myself a lot. I'm not very good at it because, at least not in English, you know, because making jokes in a foreign language is much harder than in your own language. And yeah, English is not my native, and I don't live in an English-speaking country, so it's not like people talking English all the time and you get used to it. So I have to make an effort to speak English, to express myself, and on top, to making jokes would be way too much. But if you are the one who is able to, you know, to do jokes, do that on YouTube. Even if you have like a serious channel or on safety, on technical safety or something, you know, if you are a cool guy who's working with some cool machines and it's very serious, still you can make jokes here and there. And it's also can be about the language, yeah. Some people use more rough language, some people use nice language. Yeah? It's like in real life. If you're more like a dominant kind of person, then you speak with people in the way that you tell them what to do to get the results fast. Yeah? And if you're more kind of nice person that you recommend people how to do it in a better way. This is how I've done it. You might be also benefiting from this method, you know, in a suggesting way, because this is who you are. This is how you behave in your life, and you also in your life you don't change the styles so much, the ways you approach people. You usually stick to it, and if you don't, consider doing it, because it's good to have a particular image when your personality is clear, understandable. It's not like yesterday you were a cool guy and today you are a sad guy, you know. So it's kind of like, of course you can feel different things, you can express different things you have inside, but you should have some image in life and for your brand. And here on YouTube, everything which is different in you should leverage it. If you have a pet, you should bring a pet over here. If I would have a pet, my pet would be sitting or standing next to me now. Maybe it would be not nice for the cat or for the dog, because people get double as much views with their pets in the camera than without pets. So you can see very serious channels, you know, like lawyers and everybody like that, sitting there with a cat, trying to make the cat look in the camera. Yeah? But it's your cat, it's your dog. You love this pet. Why don't you bring it to the camera? Why not? You're not faking. Maybe the cat is faking. No, they cannot. I mean, why don't you show like your life? Also, the way you live, your hobbies. Like I have a video, for example, on successful mindset and self-esteem, but I do it with the scenery of the ocean. Will link it here. You can check it out after you watch this video, so people can see how I spend my time, what is my lifestyle, what are the places I love to visit, and people can really, you know, grasp much more from me than just like on this video when I'm just a talking head, so to say, you know. Tell your story. Telling your story is one of the most important part of building your personal brand. It's basically that you tell people who you are and what you have done. I have a separate video on how to build your brand by telling your story. I will link it here. Watch it after this one. And there I just tell how the story should be structured, because it should be like you're going from one point to another, and you should show it clearly. You should make a point there. So your brand can be anything. It can be the way you dress. It can be even the voice behind your video. You know, some people don't want to show themselves on the video, or for the purpose of the video they don't, you know, fit in the video, but show your voice, show the way you talk to people, your intonation, the way, your language, the words you pick, the humor you use or don't use. This will show your personality, and that should be used on all the platforms you use for your brand or for your business. And the same in life. It's not different. You know, in life, it's also there are people who don't have any kind of style or image. They are all over the place, and you don't really grasp a clear, understandable personality from somebody, you know. And there are people who have an image, and you get to know exactly like who you're talking to, yeah, by the way people talk, by the way they behave, and you know that this person is going to be the same tomorrow, and this person is not going to be completely different or freaking out tomorrow, you know. And when you get some particular personality and style and image from a person, you start trusting this person, because this is something stable, this is something clear and understandable for you. And the same here. Every business is built on trust, and trust in your personal brand is very important, yeah, because people will remember you much more than your company. Human face converts better than a logo. Don't forget about that, the importance of it, and especially use this on YouTube, because this platform is just perfect for building your personal brand. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and please watch some other videos of mine. I have a series of videos on how to promote YouTube, how to build business on YouTube. I also have a series of videos on how to build your personal brand, how to succeed in life and be a better version of yourself. You can find them all in the links below in the description. And see you in my next video, next Wednesday.